Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 20 Gene Cloning. Restriction endonucleases. It is also known as molecular seizures. Nuclease which act at a specific site is called restriction endonuclease. Question asked in ICR JRF 99. Restriction endonuclease 1 requires magnesium ion and S-adenosyl methionine for its activity. ARS 2007 question. Type 2 restriction enzyme require magnesium ion for their restriction activity. Most of the type 2 restriction enzyme have recognition site of 4, 5 or 6 base pair which are predominantly GC rich. Type 2 restriction enzymes are mostly used in molecular biology study. Question in ARS NET 2001. Restriction enzyme from Haemophilus hemolyticus will be named as capital HHA. ICR-JRF 2003 question. Star activity. Altered specificity of restriction endonuclease during extreme conditions such as elevated pH or low ionic strength is called star activity. ARS 2007-2012 question. Also, star activity of restriction enzyme is defined as the property of restriction enzyme to cut at more number of sites in a DNA molecule to generate more number of DNA fragments due to the change in ionic concentration or other components. Question asked in ARS 2012. When any restriction enzymes cuts a DNA molecule directly crosswise, it will generate blunt ends. Question asked in ARS NET 2001. The restriction enzyme do not recognize either fully methylated or hemimethylated target site so that such sites are protected. Isosisomers are very useful in determining the state of methylation of a DNA molecule. Neoisosisomers, restriction enzyme having same recognition sequence but cleave at different points, different cut site. Both these questions are recently asked in ICR JRF SRF 2025 exam. Linkers. Linkers are synthetic single-stranded oligonucleotides which self-associate to form symmetrical double-stranded molecule containing the recognition sequence for a restriction enzyme. Agrogel electrophoresis is convenient for separating DNA fragments ranging in size from few hundred to about 20 kilo base pair. Polyacrylamide gel is preferred for separating smaller DNA fragments. Very large size DNA fragments 1000 to 2000 kilo base pair are separated by pulse field gel electrophoresis. IRI 2004 question. We can sense even 0.05 microgram of DNA with ethidium bromide. It fluoresces orange under UV light. Nick translation means labeling of double-stranded DNA molecule and it is catalyzed by DNA polymerase 1. DNA polymerase 1 have 5' to 3' polymerase activity, 5' to 3' exonuclease activity and also 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. Question asked in ARS NET 2001, IRI 2004. Various enzymes used in gene cloning. The main enzyme used in gene cloning is typically restriction endonuclease type 2. DNA ligase, also known as molecular glue. In vitro, DNA ligase joins together two DNA molecules to form two phosphodiester bond, while in vivo it forms only one phosphodiester bond at a given point. The function of DNA ligase is to restore or form phosphodiester bond. ARS NET 2001 question. T4 DNA ligase in vivo forms only a single phosphodiester bond at a given point, but in vitro it forms two phosphodiester bonds. Again, T4 polynucleotide ligase, it is very important and recently asked again IRI SRF JRF 2025 question. Flush or blunt-ended vector and DNA insert can be joined together by T4 polynucleotide ligase, which is not possible with E. coli DNA ligase. Bacteriophage T4 DNA ligase require ATP as a cofactor is often used in gene cloning because it can join DNA molecules of anneal, cohesive as well as blunt-ended termini. Whereas E. coli DNA ligase requires NAD is ineffective in ligating blunt-ended DNA fragments. Lambda exonuclease removes nucleotide one at a time from 5' end, while exonuclease 3 removes nucleotide from 3' end. Nuclease S1 isolated from Aspergillus oryza cuts at only one strand of DNA. DNA is 1 isolate from cow pancreas cut at both the strand of DNA molecule. DNA is 1 isolate from cow pancreas cut at both the strands of DNA molecule. Taq DNA polymerase does not have 3' 5' exonuclease activity. It has 5' to 3' exonuclease activity and thus it cannot correct the incorporation of mismatch bases. Because the 3' to 5' exonuclease activity is also called proofreading activity. Reverse transcriptase, also known as RNA-dependent DNA polymerase, was discovered by Temin and Baltimore in 1970, generally obtained from avian myeloblastosis virus. The enzyme polynucleotide phosphorylase was discovered by Okao et al. In 1955. It can polymerize nucleotides starting from NDPs. Enzyme glycosylase removes specific altered base and AP endonuclease removes residue from the site of depurination during DNA damage and repair system. Addition of phosphate group to 5' hydroxyl end of a nucleotide is brought about by T4 polynucleotide kinase. Bacterial alkaline phosphatase is used to prevent recirculation of removing phosphate group at 5' ends. Question asked in IRI 2003, ARS Net 13 and 14. Homopolymerase tailing is added by the enzyme terminal deoxynucleotidal transferase. ARS 2006 question. In dideoxy method of DNA sequencing, DDNTPs do not have a free 3' hydroxyl groups. IRS 2003, ARS 2004 question. E. coli is best suited for genetic engineering research work because it multiplies at a very fast rate. Question asked various exams ICR JRF 1, ARS Net 1, 7, IRI 3, 4, 5. So you can note down. Vectors used in gene cloning. A vector molecule should be ideally less than 10 kb in size because large DNA molecules are broken during purification procedure and also they represent difficulties during various manipulations required for gene cloning. The most commonly used vectors are either bacterial plasmid or DNA viruses. Properties of a good vector. A vector must have large molecular weight. ARS Net 2001 question. A vector must have an antibiotic resistance gene. ARS Net 2001 question. A vector must have a unique restriction site for a restriction enzyme. ARS Net 2001, IRI 2003 question. Different types of vectors used in gene cloning are described as follows. First, plasmid. A relaxed plasmid can synthesize multiply copy number in a cell, while a stringent plasmid can synthesize only a few copy number in a cell. ARS Net 2001 question. Plasmids vary in size from 1 kb to 250 kb. E. coli plasmid vectors are the simplest cloning vectors and are widely used for gene cloning purpose. Col E1 is a multi-copy col plasmid. Origin of replication of col E1 is used in several vectors as it permits plasmid amplification even when chromosome replication and cell division is inhibited by amino acid starvation or by chloramphenicol. PBr322, the plasmid size is 4.362 kilobase pair, is the most popular and most widely used plasmid vector having the replication module of E. coli plasmid called E1. PSC101 has a size of 8.7 kb and its modified version PSYX34 is an efficient cloning vector for gram-positive bacteria and allows cloning of 6 to 12 kilo base pair DNA insert PSYX34 and PHSG 575 have been proved useful in genome analysis of bacteria. Carrying capacity of a plasmid is approximately 10 kilobase pair. Question asked in IRI 2003. The next plasmid vector is bacteriophage vector. The lambda cos site is of 200 base pair size. 12 base pair flanked region is present in lambda bacteriophage. ARSNet 2001 question. Lambda genome has a size of 48.5 kilobase pair and therefore it is expected to contain about 12 recognition sites for a restriction enzyme having a recognition sequence of 6 base pair. The Cl repressor factor is necessary for maintaining the lysogeny function in lambda bacteriophage. ARS 2012 question. Lambda genome can accommodate only 3 kb of DNA insert. Most of the genes for lysogeny are located in the segment lie between 20 to 35 kilobase pair of lambda DNA, which is removed to obtain insertion and replacement vectors. Lambda GT10 and lambda GT11 are insertion vectors with 7 kb and 6 kb carrying capacity respectively, while EMBL3 and 4 are replacement vectors. The insertion vector has got only one restriction site where any foreign DNA molecule can be inserted. ARSNet 2001 question. EMBL3 and 4 are replacement vectors used for cloning DNA fragments of size up to 20 kilobase pair to develop genomic libraries. Lambda terminase protein is needed to cleave lambda cos sites in lambda bacteriophage. In vitro packaging is done in case of lambda bacteriophage. ARSNet 2001 question. Bacteriophages save their own DNA from restriction enzymes due to methylation. ICR-GRF 2000 and ARSNet 2001 question. Carrying capacity of lambda bacteriophage is 20 kb. IRI 2003 question. Bacterial cells are lysed by phage to form plaque. ICR-GRF 1999 question. AM13 cloning vector is a double-stranded DNA sequencing vector. IRI 2003 question. Again the plasmids. Recombinant plasmid that combine useful feature of plasmid and bacteriophage is known as plasmid. This plasmid is asked in various type of examination including IRI, ARS, GRF, SRF. Which type of combination are used in plasmids? So that is plasmid and bacteriophage. Plasmid vectors can be used for cloning of DNA insert of up to 10 kb in size. They can also be used for producing labeled RNA probes and thus are known as riboprobe vectors. Plasmid, the example as B blue script SK positive negative can be used as riboprobe vector for generating radio-labeled RNA probes and also as a sequencing vector. Its carrying capacity is 10 kb of DNA insert. Next is cosmid. Cosmid are essentially plasmid that contains a minimum of 250 base pair of lambda DNA. The carrying capacity of cosmid is approximately 40 to 45 kb. IRI 2003 question and recently IRI JRF SRF 2025 question. Then back vectors. Back vectors have the origin of replication of E. coli F plasmid and a carrying capacity of 300 kilobase. Phosmid vector. Phosmid vectors are essentially mini bags that are used to clone DNA insert of 40 kb size. YAC vectors. YACs are predominantly vector system used for cloning of very large DNA segment of size 1000 to 2000 kb for mapping of complex eukaryotic chromosome. For a YAC library with an average insert of size 200 kb, it would be desirable to identify at least one marker within a 400 kb window containing the target. Carrying capacity of various vectors are discussed here. Plasmid 10 kb, lambda bacteriophage 9 to 25 kb, cosmids 45 kb, back vector 300 kb and YAC vector 1000 to 2000 kb. द और M13MP वैक्टर का 1000 बेस पेयर, पैक P1 डिराइव्ड आर्टिफिशियल क्रोमोसोम वैक्टर, प्लाज्मिड साइज 100 to 300 kb, बैक का 50 to 300 kb, P1 फाज वैक्टर इज 95 kb and TI plasmid is 200 kb. Question asked in IRI 3 and 4. If the complementary tails are longer than 20 bases, the pairing between DNA insert and vector end is often stable enough to permit their introduction into the host cell. To amplify plasmid number, chromosome replication and cell division are inhibited by amino acid starvation or chloramphenicol. Under such conditions, cells accumulate up to 3000 copies of the plasmid per cell. IPTG, isopropyl thiogalactoside, act as an inducer of beta-galactosidase enzyme which hydrolyzes lactose. In M13MP vector, the DNA insert can be used for DNA sequencing or in vitro mutagenesis. Terminase specifically binds close to the COS site and cleave them to a 12 nucleotide cohesive end at the termini of the linear genome. In yeast, 2n is equal to 34 and its haploid DNA content is 1.4 into 10 to the power 7 base pair, which is 3 times that of the E. coli. cDNA is also known as complementary DNA or copy DNA. ARSNet 2001 question. Enzyme for the synthesis of cDNA from RNA is reverse transcriptase. cDNA contain no introns. Question asked many times that cDNA contains how many introns? The answer is 0. Melting temperature is the temperature at which 50% of double stranded DNA gets denatured. ARS 2007 question. The size of Phi 174 is 3850 base pair. IRI 2003 question. Enzyme used to restore phosphodiester bond in place of a Nick is polynucleotide ligase. ICR GRF 2000 question. When both DNA and RNA molecules of same molecular weight are run in an electrophoresis system, then DNA will move faster than RNA because of the presence of coiling. ARSNet 2001 question. Nuclease S1 acts on a single stranded DNA molecules only. In case of DNA, 1 kb is equal to 1000 base pair. ICR GRF 2004 question. Again, the genomic and cDNA libraries. Genomic libraries are made up of total genomic cDNA of an organism. Shotgun approach is used for developing genomic libraries. ARSNet 2001 question. For the construction of genomic DNA library, EMBL3, 4, YAC and BAC vectors are used. While for the construction of cDNA library, lambda GT10, 11 vectors are used. To calculate how much representative the constructor library is, the following equation can be used for the 99% probability of isolating a fragment of interest. I is equal to N is equal to 4.6 into G, where I is equal to size of average clone fragment, N is equal to the number of cloned screen, and G the target genome size in base pair. Question asked in ARS 97. Assuming EcoR1 gives an average fragment about 4 kilobase long and given that human haploid genome is 2.8 into 10 to the power 6 kilobase pair, we can see that over 7 into 10 to the power 5 independent recombinants must be prepared and screened in order to have a reasonable chance of including the desired genome. So this question is based on the formula of construction library. I into N is equal to 4.6 into G. Clark and Carbon in 1976 have derived a formula which relates the probability of including any DNA sequence in random library of n independent recombinants as n is equal to log 1 minus p by log 1 minus 1 by n. The number of independent recombinants required in a genomic DNA library must be greater than n because sampling variation will lead to the inclusion of some sequence several times and the exclusion of other sequence in a library of just n recombinants. Chromosome jumping is used for large size DNA fragments, 1000 kb or more than that, while chromosome walking is used for a small DNA fragments. Generally, a COSMED library is used for chromosome walking. Over 1500 randomly distributed DNA clones would have to be analyzed in order to be 95% certain of finding at least one clone within 1 centimorgan of a target gene in a typical plant genome of 1000 centimorgan. Artificial synthesis of DNA. Phosphodiester approach of gene synthesis was adopted by Khurana and co-workers for the first time for the synthesis of gene for alanine suppressor tRNA of yeast in 1970, while Brown and co-workers synthesized the gene for tyrosine suppressor tRNA of E. coli by this method. Question asked in IRI 2003. Both phosphotriester and phosphotriester approach utilize deoxyribonucleotide as the starting material in chemical synthesis method. The DNA chain can be constructed either in 3' to 5' or 5' to 3' direction. By using phosphotriester method, 10 to 20 nucleotides long chain can be synthesized in a few days. The phosphoramidite method or phosphotriester approach takes place less than 15 minutes for adding one nucleotide and can synthesize 50 nucleotides long chain. Enzymatic synthesis of DNA requires polynucleotide phosphorylase and it uses deoxyribonucleoside diphosphatase as substrate. DNA is synthesized only in 5' to 3' direction. It polymerizes DNTP at a slower rate when manganese replaces magnesium in the reaction mixture. This question asked in the form of assertion reason in IRI SRF JRF exam 2025. E. coli strain K12 is mostly used for cloning of DNA inserts. First therapeutic product used by means of recombinant DNA technology was insulin. Sanger et al. In 1977 sequenced the genome of 5174 virus firstly, followed by SP40 first virus genome. The first sheep clone dolly was developed by Professor Ian Wilmot. ARS 2007 question. Where is IBPGR located? At Wageningen, the Netherlands. Question asked in IRI 2001. International Gene Bank for Rice is located at IRI Philippines. ARS 2005 question. Match the following. Kohler and Milston discovered monoclonal antibody. Hershey and Chase used radioactively labeled phosphorus 32. Grunberg, Magawa and Okao developed polynucleotide phosphorylase. Paul Berg, Boyer and Cohen discovered DNA cloning, and Taylor and Hughes discovered semi-conservative replication of chromosome. Again, these are the short. Gene is insert, chromosome is a chromatin, TMV is a virus cloning DNA ligase, and cDNA uses reverse transcriptase. So guys, these all are the short notes of gene cloning. I hope ये जितने भी शॉर्ट नोट्स हैं वो आपके तैयारी में बहुत हेल्प कर रहे होंगे. सो ऑलवेज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड ऑलवेज ट्यून टू माय चैनल. थैंक यू.